Guys, Ashley here. I first want to start off by saying that one of my favorite ways of traveling is by going on a cruise. You get to go to multiple locations, you're not just kind of stuck in the same spot all week, and plus there's so much to do on the cruise ship and it's so much fun that you're just never bored. Honestly, if you do get bored, that's pretty much on you. So with that being said, I have been asked over the years by many people, what are some of your favorite things that you like to bring? You know, what should I pack? What should I take? What are the essentials? So I figured I would do a video and share my top 12 favorite things that I absolutely have to have before boarding that ship. So let's get started. Number 1, the power strip. You have to make sure that it is a non-surge protector one, otherwise it will get confiscated. Amazon has such a variety of different sizes that you can just pick the one that works for you. Number 2, the lanyard. I personally am not a fan of wearing a lanyard around my neck. It just irritates the crap out of me. But what's nice about these is it unclips, so then I can just hook this onto the inside of my beach bag, a belt loop, pretty much wherever, and it kind of like stretches. Plus I've learned I need to keep my card in here at all times unless I'm physically using it, because the sunscreen on my hands will wear away the barcode. Found that out 2 years ago when I had to go to guest services and get a new card made. So lesson learned. Number 3, magnetic hooks. These are essential because a lot of the walls and your doors are magnetic. So I will usually put this on the bathroom door and I'll hang my travel bag on there. We keep one along the wall to hang our lanyards, hats, whatever. But I also put one on the front of our cabin door because number 4, the decorative sign. This is not only just for decoration, but is also functional because if you have a cabin that is in the middle of the entire hallway where all the other doors look the same, it is a nightmare to try to find your room number. This makes it easy, you can find it in 2 seconds. So, especially if you had like a late night or you're just really tired and you're like, I don't want to read the numbers. This is so practical and so helpful. I honestly don't even look at the number. I just look for the little toucan. Number 5. A mini nightlight. It can get really dark inside of those rooms, and so if you have to use the bathroom in the middle of the night, instead of tripping over everything and banging your head into the wall, just plug this sucker in and you got a lighted path all the way. Works wonders. Number 6, clothespins. You're probably like, Ashley, why do I need to bring clothespins on a cruise? Let me tell you something. So after a fun day at the beach, fun day at the pool, or whatever, your swimsuit soaking wet, you need to hang it to dry. In the shower, there is I don't know what you call it, like a little zip line thing that goes from one wall to the other. You can like hang your swimsuits over it. Did that the first time, it was, then I saw someone post this and they used the clothespins to hook onto the swimsuits and then hang those along the line, and it was a game changer. Get yourself some cheap clothespins and it'll like literally save your life when trying to dry out those bathing suits. Number 7 is a little portable inflator. This thing was amazing. It inflated my raft in about 30 seconds. It has a inflator and a deflator for easy deflation. Plus it comes with multiple different nozzles, that you can hook on depending on, you know, the size that you need. And also it comes in a little compactable pouch. So you just stick this in your little beach bag, worries are over. Number 8 is my water bottle carrier. This sucker holds my 40-ounce water bottle, plus it has pockets for Kleenex, my phone, my card, any other little essentials. It's just like a side body, so pretty easy to carry. It's great for excursions, pool, beach, pretty much wherever you go. It is made by Blogilates PopFlex. If you're familiar with that brand, you know they're absolutely amazing, high quality stuff. This I got at Target, but I'm sure if you go onto the website, they might have some of these still on there. Number 9 are these little compactable hangers. These are amazing because, especially for all the ladies out there, if you have camis, spaghetti strap dresses, tank tops, this is perfect for them so they don't start slipping off. I know a lot of the hangers that are in the rooms are kind of like those wooden ones that go straight down. So these have always been a lifesaver for me. They pack up so easy that you can basically put these anywhere, so definitely a must-have. Number 10 are these little things. I know, you're probably like, what the heck is that? I came across these on Amazon, and I was like, this is amazing. So, they come in these little, I call them tablets. If you're somewhere that you don't have access to towels or whatever, or there's no paper towels even, just anything, all you need is some water, which I have right here. How convenient. And you just put it in the water and see how it expands. And you got a towel. I used so many of these, especially hotel rooms too. That's actually another good thing. Like if you make messes, these are incredible. I personally don't have kids, but I'm thinking if you have kids, look at that. That's like a good sized towel. It kind of smells like the beach right now. Or maybe that's just me missing the beach so much, I don't know. But these are the coolest things. And honestly, the pack I bought came like a pack of 50. So you get a good amount, but they're so compactable that I put them all in like a little Ziploc bag. And I just stick it in my purse, beach bag, wherever. This is for like everyday life. Number 11 is one of my favorites, microfiber towels. One thing I cannot stand is when you go to the beach and your towel is just covered in sand that no matter how many times you shake it, it just won't get clean. These were a game changer. I didn't care how much sand got on this. All you have to do is shake it a few times, put it right back into the mesh bag, put it in your beach bag, pool bag, whatever you have, and you're good to go. Absolutely love these, highly recommend. And to make it even better, they come in a set of 2. Great deal, Amazon. Best find. And last but not least, number 12, if you're like me and you really like to push that weight limit with your suitcase, a luggage scale is much needed. This is really good for anywhere, and this one is super accurate. I'll weigh my suitcase here, and by the time I get to the airport, it's basically within like a half pound, I would say. It has saved me so many times because, yeah, I would have definitely been over. Those are my 12 essential items. I do have a lot more, but I also don't want to take up your entire day. Hopefully this helps, whether you're going on your first cruise, whether you're a long-time cruiser, maybe you're just here for the entertainment. I'm all for it. If you have any items that I did not mention, please list them below in the comments because we all would love to see them. I know I would. Until next time, bye!